What is going on, guys? Zach Martinez, Realtor in Simply Vegas, Chakits Krulsawat Group, and we are here in the master plan of Cadence here in the city of Henderson, taking a look at Symmetry Summit by DR Horton. And today we're looking at the 4425 floor plan. That's right, 4,425 square feet. This is going to be the biggest house that you can find in Cadence. So let's take a look. How'd that sound? All right, guys. So this home has 6 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, 3-car garage, and a next-gen suite. So here we are right when we walk in. We've got the kitchen. One thing I'd like to point out here is that everything that you see is included. You do have a couple options as far as countertops go. So you have these quartz countertops, or you have an option of choosing granite. We have these nice slate cabinets as well. So this is all gonna come like this from the builder. You do have the option of a couple colors as far as cabinets goes, but you're gonna have these full length 84-inch cabinets. The one thing that isn't included here is gonna be your refrigerator, but you have the option to buy this one from the builder. Here's our pantry. Decent size. I eat a lot, so this will get filled up pretty fast. Some of the included features, you're gonna have your double ovens, and then microwave, stovetop, range, and this backsplash right here. So DR Horton, how they do their models, they like to make it seem like this is something that you would live in rather than a model home. So they try to keep everything, as you would buy it. But there's a couple different things that you won't get, like this backsplash, but you do have an option of getting that up from the builder as well. Nice living space over here. Got a really big dining room. And here we're walking into the living space. So right off the bat, first thing you notice when you walk in here, so DR Horton doesn't normally build taller ceilings, but we've got 9-foot ceilings here. The sliders go up 8 feet. I mentioned this in a previous video, but they've never done this before. So it really opens up the room, opens up the house. And it's a first. Another thing that they just started doing, I don't believe any other builder does this at the moment, but these right here, I thought they were smoke alarms at first. These are actually vents for your AC unit. So rather than just having one big square vent in the middle of the room, you've got these things popping out. Helps with distribution of air or heat. It's good for energy efficiency. Let's take a look in the backyard. Another included feature that we've got here is gonna be this covered patio and these pavers. So it's pretty nice. You don't have to worry about getting pavers where there's shade. But of course, when you do buy this brand new, the model, you're gonna have some of this desert landscaping. But when you buy your home, you're not gonna have anything here. It's just gonna be blank slate, just dirt. So it's up to you to kind of do whatever you like. Get creative with it. All the lots average from 10,000 to 12,000 square feet, and that's big. For here in Cadence, you're not really gonna see anything like that. Before we head upstairs, let's take a look at this next-gen suite, shall we? Little linen closet. And then this heads into the garage. Not gonna take a look at it because we've got the sales office in there. But you get the idea, 3-car garage. Pretty standard. Here's our next-gen suite. Wow, this one's nice. So we've got a nice little kitchenette, sort of like a living space here in the suite. Direct access. Oh, look at that, you got a doorbell. And then these brick pavers are gonna go alongside of the house. Direct access into the side of the garage right here. So whoever's staying here in this next gen suite can mind their own business, not disturb anybody. So again, we've got these quartz countertops. You don't have any gas in the kitchenette, but what you do have is this insert for a microwave. And you do have the electrical plug-in right there, outlet for any microwave that you do put in there. Full-size fridge. Builder provides only Whirlpool. Again, not included. You'd have to purchase this. And same for washer and dryer. Washer and dryer are not included, but you've got stackable washer dryer space here for the next gen suite. And then of course some storage shelves. Wow, this is pretty much like an apartment. You could rent this bad boy out if you wanted to. Here's our bedroom in the next gen suite. Pretty good size. And then you've got your bathroom, full bathroom, of course. Stand-in shower, or I guess 3/4 bathroom, right? Nice walk-in closet. Yeah, so if you've got family in town, or just somebody that you want to keep away from everyone else in the house, put them in this. All right, let's head upstairs. Oh, actually, before we go upstairs, don't want to miss this over here. Got a nice closet, coat closet. And then you've got your half bathroom. All guests can use. Nice window, let some light in here. I do like these light switches right here. Harry Potter closet, storage going underneath the stairs. Oh, and that goes deep. And then of course you've got your smart panel right here. So you're gonna have all of your hookups for cable, internet, and this runs throughout the house too. So if you were to have Cox or whatever provider that you have them set that up over here. All right, let's head upstairs. So once again, what you see is what you get. You're gonna have tile flooring on the first floor and the wet areas, and carpet in the bedrooms and throughout the rest of the home up on the second floor. Oh, take a look at this. Nice loft. This is a pretty good size. Turn this into a game room. Take a look at this. So this neighborhood is actually just opening up. We're gonna be building right here along this street. We've got more lots down there. Once again, this is just wallpaper, not gonna be something that you get from the builder. All right. Take a look at this first bedroom. Excuse me. Pretty good sized bedroom. All of the bedrooms in here do have walk-in closets, which is really nice. All right, and then we have a bathroom, full bathroom. Once again, quartz countertops. And you got a stand-in shower. Nothing flashy about the shower. They didn't want people going crazy with upgrades at DR Horton, but the quality's still there. Second bedroom. Once again, nice walk-in closet. I'll do a quick pan of this real quick. This reminds me, there's another DR Horton development up in the northwest part of Las Vegas near Lone Mountain. They offer a similar product, but these are way nicer. So this is the primary. We'll take a look at that later. I do like how all these rooms are separated. You know, normally in a house with 6 bedrooms, all of them are going to feel cluttered right up on each other. But these seem to have some sort of separation. And they're good sized rooms. So this is going to be a queen bed, it looks like. And look at all that space you still have. I mean, even in a model home, it feels a little empty. Not saying the designers did a bad job. I think they did great. It's just really, really big. Big walk-in closet. We got another bathroom. So the people in these rooms don't need to walk all the way to the other side of the house. Like that's such a big problem. And then of course, it looks like the laundry room, but let's take a look at this last bedroom. Wow. All right, so you can see where they're building these lots over here. So that's model homes of another community offered by D.R. Horton. We're going to be touring those at another time. But like I said, this community is just opening up. They're having their grand opening tomorrow. They already have homes that are ready for May delivery, 30-day close. Here's your laundry room. Once again, washer dryer are not included. Wow, we already looked in there. Let's take a look at the primary. Take a look at this. This is huge. So this is definitely king. And right off the bat, you got a ton of natural light. It smells really nice in here. Wow. I'm a big guy for smells. Oh my goodness. All right, I can't even tell you how big this is. So I'm 5'11", I have pretty big strides. That took me like 10 steps to get all the way to the end of the closet. Oh my goodness. That's the wife's closet. Husband has no business being in there. He could use one of the kids' rooms. It's usually how it goes anyway, at least. Here's our primary bathroom. Nice and bright. So you're gonna find the same quartz on these little ledges right here. And in the shower. Ooh, somebody's got to tighten that up a little bit. That would bother me coming out of the shower every day. That's an easy fix. Yeah, it's just a little wobbly. They're going to need to tighten that up. Little linen closet. And I skipped over the best part, most important part, water closet. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this property tour. If you'd like to learn more, be sure to leave a comment or shoot me a DM. And I want to give a big shout out to Farah over at D.R. Horton for letting us come by and shoot these videos. They've got tons of great incentives going on, so if you guys want to learn a bit more about that, just shoot me a message. Love to chat. See you guys next time.